Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So I wanted to start today with yesterday, if that makes sense, and just briefly go over this problem that you worked on, which was Deacon jumped 5 feet forward at a time. If he jumps 4 times, how many feet did he travel? What did you get for an answer? Did you get 20 feet? Because that's what I got. So the way I was thinking of it was as a number line, and he starts here, he jumps 5 feet at a time, so that's 5, and he jumps 4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so then that would cover 20 feet. Okay, there's other ways you could have done it. You could have, for example, how am I putting myself up here? You could have done, let's say, like an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and done it 4 times. You could use X's, or you could use O's, and then you would see that 5, 10, 15, 20. So that would work. Okay, did anybody use the area model? Anybody use equal groups? Okay, anything can work, but I thought the number line made the most sense for this one. So that's the one that I used. And then your number sentence, of course, is, let's see, would be 4 hops of 5 feet gives you 20 feet. Okay? All right, so if you need to make any changes to this, please do that now. Pause the video and then come on back. I'm going to read you the 2 problems from today, and then I want you to work on them, okay? So I've done a lot of modeling of these problems, and now I want you to see how you can do, okay? And even if you're not getting them all correct, but you're really working hard and you're thinking and using the models, your brain's growing and you're going to get there, okay? All right, so the first problem says, Vivian and Sophia both have an upset stomach, which means their stomach doesn't feel good, because they each ate 8 cupcakes. Well, I don't feel so bad for them now, do I? If you eat 8 cupcakes, your tummy's going to be upset. How many cupcakes did they eat in total? Okay, so Vivian and Sophia both have an upset stomach because they each ate 8 cupcakes. They ate 8 cupcakes. Kind of an awkward way of saying it. How many cupcakes did they eat in total? So you want to draw a picture, equal groups, array, number line, something, and then write your number sentence. Okay, the other problem is, so you can either pause the video and do that now, or listen to the rest of this and then you'll go back and do it, okay? It says Caroline bought some packs of gum. If there are 5 pieces of gum in each pack, and Caroline bought a total of 35 pieces of gum, then how many packs did she buy? I'm going to read it one more time. Caroline bought some packs of gum. If there are 5 pieces of gum in each pack, so one thing I might do is just draw a pack of gum and put 5 in it, okay? And Caroline bought a total of 35 pieces of gum, then how many packs did she buy? I would recommend either using equal groups for this, right? How many packs would you need to get to 35, or a number line? That would be my recommendation, but you do whatever works for you. And then you write your number sentence. Okay? All right, do a good job. Figure out, are you multiplying or dividing? Don't just jump into it. Really think about it. Visualize it. Right? Draw some pictures and see what you think. All right? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.